I'm about to show you how you can scrape email addresses from a prospect's LinkedIn URL for free. Hi guys, it's Lead Gen Man here, and in this session we are going to cover first of all how you can apply filter to your Apollo and see how many number of prospects are available. Then we are going to use a Apollo scraper tool or any Apollo scraper tool, and then we are going to use LeadRock. LeadRock, which is an AppSumo deal, all you have to pay is $79. Again, LeadRock is not sponsoring me, but it's more than like 2 to 3 years now, and I'm still using it. You get monthly recharges or monthly credits, so it's basically from free. So let us deep dive into our workflow. So here I have already built out the list in apollo.io. I want to target real estate guys, mid-level real estate guys based in Dubai. So we have prospect leads of around 10,000. These are the filter that we have applied here. Industry is real estate. The demographic we are going after is UAE. And we are targeting management level, which are seniors, manager, director, and head. Now it will cost us around $99 to scrape out 10,000 leads from Apollo.io. So that we are not going to use Apollo. We are going to use external Apollo scraper tool. For example, searchleads.co. All we need to do is copy this URL here. Let us post our name, email, and paste the Apollo link that we have just copied. Now the number of leads were 10,000. Let's say YouTube random, and I'm based from India. We will get a link. You will get an email here. By using searchleads.co, you can scrape out 1,000 leads from $3. So as we are scraping 10,000 leads, we have to pay $30 to them. Alright, so I will make the payment and I will see you on the other side. Awesome, our data is ready. So let's see how many leads it was able to find out how many emails. So we have the email, we have the LinkedIn URL, we have their first name, last name, their organization name, where they are based from, and bunch of different things. Awesome. So if we scroll down, around 6,000. Alright, that's awesome, but as you can see, we cannot use catch-all emails in our cold email campaigns as well as unknown emails. So avoid using them. Let us add a filter here so that we only select valid emails. Awesome, so here is the clean list. The email status of all of our prospects are valid, and we are targeting only valid emails because we don't want to decrease our email deliverability and email longevity of our domains and mailboxes. So from those 6,000, only 2,100 or 2,200 emails were valid. Now what to do with the rest of the contacts? So Apollo was not able to find that, but we cannot leave out rest of our prospect as well. Now what here we will do is, we don't want to miss out on any single emails that we can find for easily. So as you can see, like after 6,000, all of the prospect don't have email. So we will use LeadRock from finding those emails. So all we need is the LinkedIn URL. Alright. So let us make a new Excel here. Copy the LinkedIn URL of rest of the prospects. Paste it here. Awesome. Download this file. It's a CSV. Go to LeadRocks, go to the first link in the description, and you will have a free trial of LeadRocks. Alright, so this is the dashboard of LeadRocks. So click on enrichment. They also offer like email verification, outreach, prospecting, but the only tool that most of the people use LeadRock is from enrichment. All you need to do is add LinkedIn URLs of your prospects. So let us add our file. Awesome. As you can see, from rest of our prospect, it was still able to find out 674 email addresses as well as some of phone numbers. So you can see why we are doing this again and again, because we don't want to miss out on any single prospect. And basically it is from free. And the main reason is we are not missing out on any single email or any single prospect of our searching or our prospecting. So if you want to use LeadRock, go to the first link in the description and you can get it for free. You can test it out and then buy if you like it. Alright, so what we will do is we will verify the email here and export this list to CSV file. Click on export. Let us open this file. And if you want to learn more about lead generation and prospecting, I already have a course on cold email, lead generation, client acquisition, copywriting, and bunch more. So again, make sure to check the description. Alright, so we have their company email, we don't need that. All we need is their work email. And again, we have to make sure that we are only using OK status email or valid status email and not unknown or catch-all. So let us put a filter here again. We can go for OK for all, OK, and remove all of those. Alright, the main purpose is we want to build a healthy leads, and that's why we are not including any catch-all or any unknown emails. Okay, so I don't know how many emails are here. 92 only. Awesome. Still we were able to find out 100 more leads. It is still valuable. So let us add this to our clean list. If you still want to know yet another method to scrape out email addresses, phone numbers, LinkedIn URLs and everything, make sure to check out this video. And if you like this video, give it a like, comment and make sure that you subscribe to Lead Gen Man. Alright, bye bye. I will see you in the next one.